Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best table saw stand that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt DW7440RS Table Saw Stand with Wheels. Dewalt Table Saw Stand featuring a fold-up design and large rubber wheels, which allows you to experience easy job site mobility. It can manage weights up to 200 pounds and specially designed rolling stands that minimizes the effort of transportation. Additionally, you can use it as an easy loading and unloading cart on the vehicle too. This table saw stand made from durable tubular steel construction that can stand scratchless for a long time. A retractable soft grip handle slides out at transport time and allows you to pull the saw behind you comfortably. It keeps the tool's weight centered near the ground and reduces stress on your arms. An ideal height will help you keep workpieces under your control for accurate cuts. Moreover, 33 pounds of folding legs and convenient heavy-duty wheels enhance portability and flexibility to carry it in the workplace. It is ideal for all man of all work, including ranchers, woodworkers, cabinet makers, installers, and any other professional whose job demands a saw stand. Another useful feature is, it's easy to assemble, means you will be able to reduce downtime. Moving on at number 4, we have the Powertec MT4009 Rolling Table Saw Stand. The Powertec table saw stand made of solid steel plates and steel tubular body, which is very sturdy and can handle a lot of erosion and damage. It is another top quality selection with a lightweight folding design that delivers strong work platform stability and effortless work stand mobility. Secure storage and transportation options makes it an excellent table to carry to different job sites. Overall, this table can support heavy saws that seamlessly bears an impressive 330 pounds of earthward force. It also features versatile support bars that allow for easy mounting and securing of the saw. It has two 8-inch wheels and an automatic locking pin to release the lever quickly. The universal design can fit with a wide variety of different sized table saws from popular or common brands. It can store vertically or horizontally with or without the attached saw. Adjustable, tightly gripping rubber stop feet with lock nuts additionally enhance safety, and a wide handle enhances comfortability. The height is 43-3/8 inch when the stand is folded in a vertical position. At number 3, we have the Bosch TS2100 Gravity Rise Table Saw Stand with Wheels. Bosch table saw stands have several incredible features that will make cutting easier for you. You can work for a long time because of its perfect 22-inch height without any form of pressure on your back and other muscles. It has unique technology that makes the process of setting it up and leveling it pretty quickly. This table saw qualifies as a universal table saw stand. It is quite portable and has a pair of wheels that are 8 inches high with proper treading. The non-pneumatic wheels are quite stable to make it easier to manage on any ground with efficiency. This Gravity Rise table saw stand has a collapsible design, making it easier to store and transport. While it only measures 52 pounds, it can support loads of up to 250 pounds. It is quite strong due to its robust frame and the powder coat finish. Different types of applications, like woodworking, carpentry, remodeling, and trimming tasks, are suitable for this frame. Tool-free adjustment of the table stand makes it quite versatile. At number 2, we have the Rousseau 2780 Table Saw Stand. Rousseau 2780 Table Saw Stand is perfect for the smaller portable table saws. It doesn't fit all kinds of table saws except some popular small table saws like Bosch CTS1031, Dewalt DWE7480, DW745, Makita 2703, Skill SPT70WT. It is one of the best table saw stands that has so many useful features to make it diverse. It comes with a fully adjustable T-square fence and micro-adjust types of equipment that will give you precise and accurate cuts when using a portable table saw. Unlike a regular table saw stand, it comes with an extension. Moreover, this 57 pounds weight saw stand can improve rip cut capacity up to 27 inches. The stand also features a 34-inch working height that is high enough for ordinary people. So, you don't have to bow down while you are working on it. The quickly foldable option makes it easier to transport and compact storage. Additionally, it is made of high-quality steel and also added powder-coated finish with professional-grade laminate to enhance longevity. The stand is handy for the DIYers and as well as the professionals. And finally at number 1, we have the Dewalt DWE74911 table saw stand with wheels. We all know that Dewalt leads to a vital role in the tool-making industry. They don't stop by making just the saws, they also make a versatile line of table saw stands. From those stands, the DWE74911 rolling table saw stand is one of its designs for easy setup and excellent stability. The lightweight body enhances mobility and portability. It lineaments a durable steel frame that stands scratchless for a long time. It can fit various models like DWE7490X, DWE7491RS, DWE7499GD, DWE7480, DW745, and others. Additionally, this specially designed rubber wheels under the rolling frame stand to minimize the effort of transportation and loading and unloading into and out of the vehicle makes it more accessible. Any carpenter, farmer, or cabinet maker can get it to receive a fabulous woodworking experience. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.